If you would like to see the background that I got, keep watching. Hello Healthinistas and welcome to my channel, 50 Something. My name is Bernice. On this channel, I give you fitness, health, and lifestyle. So if this is your first time here and you are a woman over 50, this is your community. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any time I upload. And come back every week for new videos. So I just recently did an unboxing where I redeemed my points and you guys seem to completely enjoy that. So I knew I had a package coming in because as a YouTuber, you want to have a nice background. And so this is the unboxing of it. So let's get started. I don't know what's in this little box. So we are going to open up this one first. And I ordered the stand and a couple of backdrops because one, I wanted a white backdrop that I want to take photographs in front of. And then the other one was the one that I wanted to just film in front of. So let's see what this is. Put this down before I poke myself. All right, dear buyer, thanks for purchasing from our store. Please kindly leave us a positive feedback. Yeah, everybody wants feedback. We'll have to see. Okay, I think this is it. Okay, before I show you this backdrop, I am going to put the stand, open up the stand, and the box is what's gonna hold it up. So let's see what is in here. Whew, very big box. It's a box within a box. Okay. All right, let's put this over here. And then take this monster and we're gonna break it down later. Oh, and here's my the white backdrop that I got for taking photographs. So that's exciting. All right, put that aside for now. And then let's open this stand. This is I get to get a new background. That's so exciting. And if it looks the way it looks if it really looks the way it looks in the photograph, I'm gonna be ecstatic. But if it doesn't, I'm gonna be disappointed. So we'll see. We'll see. We'll find out together. All right, let's go. That's hard. Here are, I don't know what it is yet, but I have to read the instructions and then I'll have to put it together. Oh, they look like a couple of weights. All right, so I'm gonna have to put this together. So let's put it on time lapse so it can go. new backdrop. Does it look realistic? Does it look like I could be waving at somebody out the window? Hey, good to see you, yes. Does it look realistic? Does it look like I could go sit on that chair in the corner? Does the plant look realistic? Of course, when I film, I'm going to do a portion of it so that you won't see the bottom of it or anything like that. But leave your comments below. I want to hear from you. What do you think about my new backdrop? Would you get one? Does it look realistic? It's not bad for the price. I'm gonna put the link in the description. So if you want one exactly like this, or once you're on the site, there are so many different sceneries that you can choose from. So once you click my link and you get to Amazon, you can choose whichever one you want, or you can get the one I got. I'm actually pretty happy with it. What do you think? Well, go ahead and give this a thumbs up if you like it. And don't forget to share this video. And also come back every week for new videos and subscribe. What are you waiting for? Even if you're not over 50 but you think that I can give value, go ahead and subscribe.